Good morning children. I am Nishi Arora. With me Pooja Pareva. Today we shall study class 11th, subject English, textbook Hornbill, lesson 7, The Voice of the Rain, summary, part 1. Dear children, this lesson is a poem which is written by Walt Whitman. This poem is a conversation between poet and rain. We shall study about it in this summary. Okay, let's start. Summary. In this poem, the poet asks the soft falling shower, "Who are you?" To which she replies that she is the poem of the earth. Word meaning: poem, कविता, poet, कवि, shower, बौछार, reply, जवाब देना. The rain told the poet that she can not be touched as she rises up in the form of water vapor. In the sky, from the land and bottomless sea. Students, look at the picture. Water from sea and land heats up due to the sunlight and changes in water vapors and rises up in the sky. It is called evaporation. Word meaning: touch, छूना, rise up, ऊपर उठना, water vapors, जलवाष्प. The vapors changes into clouds due to condensation. Children, what is condensation? Condensation is a process in which gas changes to liquid. Word meaning: clouds, बादल. Condensation, संघनन, गैस से द्रव बनना. It falls back on the surface of the earth in the form of rain to beautify and purify the earth. Word meaning: beautify, सुंदर बनाना, purify, शुद्ध करना. It provides life to the seeds inside the earth and helps them in growing. Word meaning: life, जीवन, seeds, बीज, grow, बढ़ना. The poet also compares the rain to a song, as they both share a common journey. Word meaning: compare, तुलना करना. A song originates from the heart of the singer. When the song is complete, it wanders from one place to another. Word meaning: originate, आरंभ होना, wanders, इधर उधर घूमना. But one day it returns to the singer with all due love of the listeners. Word meaning: listener, श्रोता, सुनने वाला. So children, we saw in the summary how beautifully poet compares rain to a song. They both share a common journey. Rain gives back life forever to the earth from which it originates. In the same way, a song is created by the heart of poet, listened and admired by the people, and it comes back to the poet again. Okay, now the summary is complete. We shall do question answers of this lesson in part 2. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.